Sorry. So am I audible now? Yeah. Sorry. So it was not on, my mic was not on. Okay, I hope now I am audible, right? Nishant, hi Nishant. Hi Rohit. Okay. So now we can proceed. Okay, so hello everyone. So in this session we are going to solve the memory based questions of electronics and communication afternoon session. Okay, so we'll solve some engineering mathematics questions, and you will be enjoying the solutions. Okay, and you can match your answer keys as well. Acha, if you have attempted this session, tell me how many of you feel that how was the level of the engineering mathematics and how was the level of the overall paper. Tell me on the chat. Come on guys, if you have appeared in this exam, so tell me what do you feel, how was the level of this exam, and still it's not working. Am I audible? Nishant? Acha, Ishad is saying her exam is on 13th. It means computer science, right? Computer science or mechanical, I think. Yes, yeah. So let us continue now. Let us start now. Okay. So what we will do, we will one by one solve the questions which are based on memory. So you can have the idea that how the questions are. And one more important thing is there. I observed that in the morning session in electrical engineering, if one question is asked from that chapter, there is a slight change and the question is again asked here also. Okay. So it is tough. Rohit is saying it is tough. Overall you are saying, right? And what about engineering mathematics, Rohit? What about engineering mathematics? See, why I am asking from you guys, because you know that in the examination environment, what was the experience when you were seeing all these questions? What was the experience? That's why I am asking that what is the level. All the best, all of you. Yeah, sure. Moderate tough. Simpson is saying, yeah, very good. So moderate to tough is saying, right? Well, mathematics was moderate. Yeah, why I am saying moderate? Because one question was from L3, means usually students ignore that part, and that is asked here in this one. So that is why. Otherwise the questions were easy, no problem. One probability question is also there, that we will solve at the end. So wait for that also. Okay, you can check your answer keys. Whatever the data we have, according to that I will solve the questions. If is there any correction in the data, please mention in the chat. Okay, please help me in that. Okay, so that we can help the other students also as well. So we will solve one by one. Okay, so can we start now? Please reply on the chat. Can we start? Okay, so let us start now. Okay, so question number 1 we will solve. I will only write the important data. So differential equation topic is Leibniz differential equation. Means it is the linear differential equation of first order, which means it is the equation which we can reduce into first order first degree differential equation. Okay, so it is a reducible form of Leibniz differential equation. So dy by dx, x dy by 1 minus x square, okay, is equal to x into square root of y, and we have to find integrating factor beta. We have to find integrating factor. We have to find the integrating factor, and the options are given something like this. Options were given 1 minus x square minus 1 by 2, 1 minus x square minus 1 by 4, 1 minus x square minus 3 by 2, and next is 1 minus x square minus 3 by 4. Okay, question seems very easy. Actually it is easy, but once if you are not getting the idea that what should be the substitution, then you will be in trouble here. Okay, so you have to be very smart here. You have to see here that it is looking like differential equation. This equation can be reduced into linear differential equation or Leibniz form. How? Because here right now it is not linear. Right now it is not linear. Do you guys agree or not? Reply on the chat. Right now it is not linear. Why? Because y, that is a dependent variable over here, which is having the power 1 by 2. We know that in a linear differential equation, Dependent variable and its derivative should occur with the degree 1 and they should not be multiplied together. But here it is done so. Okay, so we have to remove this part. What we will do, we will divide the whole equation by square root of y. Okay, so now I am solving the solution. So I am getting 1 by square root of y dy by dx plus x by 1 minus x square is, it will become square root y na beta, y divided by square root of y, it will become square root of y is equal to x. This is what we are getting. Now on the right hand side pure function of x is there. Now we can see that yes, we can get some linear differential form over here. Now we know that in a linear differential form, this part here some variable is there, but its power is always 1, but it is square root of y. So what we will do, we can substitute. Whenever we are in trouble in the mathematics, we do the substitution such that our work will not stop. Okay, so we will do this, square root of y is equal to put z. Now what you will get, you will get something like this, 1 by square root of y dy by dx is equal to dz by dx, है ना बेटा? We'll get this. अब इसको we can solve it. Okay, what we will do, acha, one more thing is there, when we will differentiate 2 will be also there. This 2, do not ignore this 2. Okay, do not ignore this 2, otherwise you will be in problem. Okay, someone is saying what is the name, 1 by 1 minus x square is the integrating factor. No, did you attempt the exam or you are from other branch? So what you will do, here you can see this expression and this expression is similar, that's why we did this substitution. Now this whole thing will become the single derivative. So what we will get, 2 into dz by dx plus x divided by 1 minus x square into z is equal to what, x here, है ना? So this is what we are getting over here. Now sorry, this is what we are getting over here. Now this whole thing we can divide by 2. So again I will divide it by 2. I will take the advantage of eraser and I can directly divide it, right? 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. This is what we are getting. Now this is the proper Leibniz equation, right? Yeah, option with the power minus 1 by 4. Very good, gamer. Very good, very good. So what you will do, now we will solve it. So whatever the function is there, we know that integrating factor is e to the power f of x dx, and this f of x is nothing but this p of x, I think, in general, right? So what we will do, we will integrate it. So 1 by 2 integrating x divided by 1 minus x square dx. How will you integrate this? 11th class question, right? You have to substitute 1 by 1 minus x square is equal to 2. So you will get x dx is equal to minus dt by 2. Once you get this, you can put your integration here. So what you will get, integrating factor is equal to e to the power 1 by 2 integration minus dt by 2 divided by t, and this minus 1 by 2 will come outside, so you will get minus 1 by 4 and ln t. Now we can write it e to the power ln t to the power minus 1 by 4, and now this whole thing will get vanished, right? So this whole thing will get vanished to 1, right? And we'll get 1 minus x square to the power minus 1 by 4. 1 minus x to the power 1 minus x square to the power minus 1 by 4. So those who got this answer, congratulations, you got your marks. Okay, but this question was of 1 mark only. Okay, but it is taking time in solving the question. If you are good in integration, then okay, no problem. Now we can continue to the next question, and this question belongs to linear algebra, and the concept is topic is linearly dependent and independent vectors, right? Okay, this question was of 1 mark, so let me write the data. Okay, so what is given? So 3 vectors are given, 1, minus 1 and 2, 7, 3 and x, and the last vector is given 2, 3 and 1. Okay, I should not add the comma here. And he's saying that are linearly dependent, then find x. Okay, generally this is not the actual form in the GATE exam. जो framing है questions की, it should not be same. Such suicide करने का. CR7, what happened? Why are you feeling like that? Don't get demotivated. Okay, how was your paper? I have already taken for electrical branch, Rohit. Okay, electrical branch video solution is already released in the afternoon only. Okay, you can go over that. Okay, you can watch that. So what happened? Okay, fine. CR7, why are you feeling like that? How was your paper? Tell me. So if all the three vectors are linearly dependent, it means that, okay, whatever if suppose n number of vectors are there, and if there is a linearly dependency, then definitely the determinant formed by that n vectors will be always 0. And that is why whatever the determinant will form, suppose this is a column vector, that determinant that we'll get is -2, 7, 3, x, 2, 3 and 1. Okay, is equal to 0. So if we are getting this, then 1 into 3 minus 3x minus plus 7 minus 2x plus 2 into 21 minus 6 is equal to 0. And when you will solve this now, you will get minus 5x plus 40 is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to 8. Very easy, numerical type questions, right? This time they have increased the weightage of NAT. Yeah, Rajan Chaudhary, correct. 8 is the correct answer. Very good, very good. Okay, so acha, tell me how many of you have attempted this particular exam, EC branch, and tell me the level of the whole stream, means whatever you have given in the GATE exam, what was the level, and also tell me what do you feel about the engineering mathematics. What do you feel? Was it easy, medium or tough? Tell me on the chat box. Come on everyone. Then we'll solve the next question of line integral. Okay, no one is replying. Come on guys, tell me. Or you guys are from other branches? Next question is from vector calculus. Moderate. Everyone is saying, yeah. Vaishnavi is saying moderate. Uditanshu is saying moderate. Okay. Rakesh is from mechanical. No problem. You will have an advantage. See, in mechanical, I think it is my experience that maths level is not that much high as it is in the electrical and AC branch, but we don't know. Okay, GATE exams, we always get some surprises, so you have to be ready for worst. Okay, Rajan, and who is from mechanical? Rakesh. Okay, so let us solve this question. There is one figure given in the question, so that figure I will draw. Okay, so this is one curve is drawn over here. Okay, this is the C curve, and here it is dash dash dash, and this is the angle 45 degree. This is the angle 45 degree. Suppose this is the curve given to us. Okay, and this distance is 1, so it means the radius of this is the sector of the circle. Okay, not much information is given in the question, but whatever the information I am having, I am solving on that basis. So f is given as minus xi plus yj. Okay, and we have to find out what? We have to find out f dot dr. Okay, from this initial point to final point, 1 to 2. Okay, and definitely this distance is 1. Okay, option were given. First option is 1/3, second option is 1 by 2, third option is 1 by 6, and fourth option is 1 by 4, guys. Okay. Acha. So can anyone tell me how will I proceed in this question? Vipin is from CS. Very good. Okay, no problem. You are also having the exam on 13th, right? Sukhveer Kumar is saying pi. What pi? Okay, so tell me how will you proceed in this question? What will you do? So along this curve from 1 to 2 I have to integrate. This is what I have to find out in this question. What will you do, guys? See, the curve is given which is in the the curve is given which is a polar form, right? The curve is polar form. So it is better to convert the integration into polar form, है ना? The parametric form in the polar one. Okay, so not in terms of t, in terms of theta we can do, right? Very good. Theta is equal to 0 to 45 we will integrate, but for that we have to convert the integration into polar form. Let us do that. Very good, very good. So you guys are prepared for this, all these surprises, right? So where dr is what? Dr is dxi plus dyj. Okay, if this is so, then what is the integration? Integration is what? X dx plus y dy, है ना? ऐसे ही कुछ है, ठीक है? And from 1 to 2 we will integrate. Now, to convert into polar form, we know that x is equal to what? X is equal to cos theta and y is equal to sin theta. वैसे तो r cos theta and sin theta होता है, but r is 1 over here. If r is 1 over here, so this is given to us. Now we will find out what? We will find out dx and dy. So if you find out dx is what? Minus sin theta d theta, beta. And what is dy? Dy is cos theta d theta. Okay, I can remove this r, no problem. Okay, so here you can write that r is equal to 1. Yeah? So it will be clear. Now if this is given to us, what we will do? Let me use the black ink. What we'll do, we'll substitute all this here and we'll put the limits of theta, which is what? From 0 to pi by 4 now, 45 degree. Minus x means minus cos theta into minus sin theta cos theta, okay, plus y, that is sin theta into cos theta d theta. Now whole integration has been converted into the parametric form, right? है ना? B, everyone is saying B. Very good, very good. Shivank is saying B. What about others? Only Shivank has solved this question. So what you will do? You will get sin 2 theta over here. Directly you can say you will get 2 sin theta, that is sin 2 theta, and 0 to pi by 4 d theta. है ना? Integration of this, we know that it is nothing but 1 by 2 minus cos theta. If you are fast in all these things, then better. You are prepared for the exam. Now cos pi by 2 na, theta will be pi by 4, so 2 into pi by 4, that is pi by 2 minus cos 0. What you are getting? Definitely 0 and minus 1, that is 1 by 2. Everyone is saying B. Very good. B is the answer. B is the answer. Okay, B for Bombay. Oh, sorry. B for Bombay is the answer. है ना? So Shivang got the answer B. Very good. Shivang, were you in the exam? Did you attempt the exam or you are from the other branch? Acha, those who were in the exam, those who attempted the exam, tell me what you have put in this one. What answer you have selected in this one? Shivang is from also mechanical. Okay, very good. So next question we will solve now. It is from matrix linear algebra, eigenvalues and eigenvector. Okay, let us solve this. Acha, and one more important thing is, please don't forget to like and share our video if you are liking our video solutions. So please share it with your friends so they can also watch, because they are also having the exam in the upcoming week, right? So please share with them. So it will be a great that they will also take the benefit of it. Okay. So the question is, they have given the matrix in the question. The matrix is something x minus 3, 4. Okay, always 2 cross 2 matrix. In all the session, wherever I solve the video solution, for the eigenvalue they are giving 2 cross 2 matrix only. Very good thing. Okay, and we have to find one more important information is given, that is that in eigenvalues are repeating. If eigenvalues are repeating na beta, it means that I am writing from my side lambda 1 is equal to lambda 2. If eigenvalues are repeating, then it means lambda 1 by lambda 2. So we have to find the x. And what we have to find? We have to only find the positive value. Positive real value we have to find. This is also written in the question. So I am not writing the complete question beta. Waste of time. Just important information we can take. We have to find the value of x. Acha. First tell me, how will you write the characteristic equation? How will you write the characteristic equation for 2 cross 2 matrix? How do you find out the characteristic equation for 2 cross 2 matrix without writing a minus lambda I determinant is equal to 0 form? No. If you are doing this, instead of doing that, just remember this standard form, and that will always help you beta. This will always help you. Okay. So, very good. 10 is the answer. Shivank got it. Yeah. So, what is the trace of the matrix? What is the trace of the matrix? 4 plus x. And what is the determinant of the matrix? 4x minus plus 9 is equal to 0. Now they are saying that the roots are repeated. So for repeating roots in the quadratic equation we have already studied, right? In the quadratic equation for the repeating roots, discriminant is 0. We have heard about discriminant in our 11th 12th class, right? Quadratic equation chapter we have studied. So if roots are repeating, discriminant is 0. And if discriminant is 0, so this is B. Okay? Here it is A. This is A. This is B, this whole thing including minus. And this is C. So we know that in discriminant our will be 0 for repeating roots, right? For repeating roots. It means B square means what? Minus 4 minus x ka whole square. Minus 4 into A is 1 into C is what? 4x plus 9 is equal to 0. This is what we are getting. If you solve this one, you will get the answer. If you solve this one, you will get the answer x is equal to 10 and x is equal to minus 2. But we will not take this value, we will take this value. You have to solve this question after that. Okay, it is very easy form now. Okay, fine. So can we proceed to the next question? This question is from vector calculus about the irrotational vector field. I know that you guys understand what is irrotational vector field. Reply on the chat. What is irrotational vector field? What is the condition for irrotational vector field? Reply on the chat. Reply on the chat. Come on, guys. So the question, f is equal to, it is very easy question actually. I should not have solved it, but it's okay. I will give some extra information over here. And it is 4x plus 2z j plus 2y plus z into k. Okay, if this is given to us and बोला गया है कि f is a irrotational vector field. Irrotational vector field. Irrotational vector field. F is a irrotational vector field. It means that the that is the curl of the vector field is 0. The curl of the vector field is 0. Okay, so curl of the vector field should be 0. It is not 0, it is null vector. Cross product always give the vector form, that is why it is null vector. So this is the correct equation. Okay. Now this vector field is also called as conservative vector field. Okay, so sometime if in the question it is written in instead of irrotational, if they are writing conservative vector field, it means the curl of the vector field is 0. Okay, it is the same thing. Yeah. So this is what we are getting. Very good, Shivank. Suvit, yeah, you are writing dv by dx is equal to minus du by dx is equal to 0. Yeah, you are giving the special case for 2-dimensional. You are giving the special case for 2-dimensional, right? Yeah, very good. Shivank, C is 0. Yeah, answer is 0, answer is 0. Yeah, Suvit, you are giving for 2D. Very good. Yeah, you guys are brilliant here. Come on. Very good. So, I, J and K, del by del X, del by del Y, del by del Z, it is what? 4Y plus C1Z. अरे इतना गंदा कैसे लिख सकता हूँ मैं? 4y plus C1Z. फिर से 4x plus 2z, 2y plus z. Sorry for my handwriting, guys. Come on. Okay. So from the morning I am recording the videos and solving the question. Okay. So it's a really hectic day for me. Now we'll start finding the determinant. We all know how to find out the determinant. So I into the differentiation of this function with respect to y is 2 minus, again you will get the 2 minus j, 0 minus c1, है ना, c1 it is, yeah, plus k into 4 minus 4 will come. You can check here. Okay, you can check here, this and this 4 minus 4, and this whole thing is equal to 0. This whole thing is equal to 0. So what you are getting, c1j is equal to 0. That implies c1 is equal to 0 beta. So this is what we are getting over here. c1 is 0. Everyone is saying नहीं हुआ था सॉल्व. ज्ञानचंद प्रसाद is saying सर कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर का क्वेश्चन बता दो. Which one? कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर का कौन सा क्वेश्चन है? Which one? You can you please comment which question you are talking about? Okay, now we will see one question from probability and statistics, and then we will solve the question of probability. Okay, so Gyanchand, how was the paper overall? Can you tell me your experience? How do you feel about the engineering mathematics level? If we talk, easy, moderate, or tough? Okay, I haven't seen this question yet now. Okay, so you can comment this question. So we will cover this part in other session, in some other session. Apti rahega sir. Okay, fine. Okay, so Vimal is saying apti rahega. Gyanchand, moderate. Yeah, it should be moderate. Level is not easy. It is moderate. So it is not like yesterday. Okay, in instrumentation and civil. Okay, so let us solve one question more. There are two questions left. One is from probability and one is from, both are from probability, but one is from variance, properties of variance, and other is from conditional probability. This year maths aptitude easy. Yeah, no. But maths aptitude is easy, but about mathematics we cannot say, right? Okay, level we have to check out of 100 students how many students are able to solve. If out of 100 students, 80 students are able to solve the question, then it is level 1 or level 2, right? It may happen that you are brilliant and you are solving the question. So for you it can be easy. This is given, y is equal to 2x plus this, and they are saying that sigma x square is nothing but variance of x, and sigma y square is nothing but variance of y. Very easy question. I should not have solved this. Okay, and they are also giving some options. They are giving some options like what? Sigma x square is equal to 4 sigma y square. B, sigma y square is equal to 2 sigma x square. C, sigma y square is equal to 25 sigma x square. And D, sigma x square is equal to 5 sigma y square. Whatever this kind of options are given over there. How will you find out? Can anyone tell me what should be the answer of this? Very easy, yaar, very easy. For those ko. Okay. So what you will do? You will take the variance on both the sides. You will take the variance on both the sides. Okay, variance of 2x plus 3. Now this is the variance of y. This is the variance of y. This is the variance of 2x plus variance of 3. Okay, this is what we are getting. Now we know that the variance of constant, tell me what is the variance of constant, guys? What is the variance of constant? What is the variance of constant? Vimal, this question I have already covered. I have solved. You can go to the means you can go back to the in the video. You will find this solution. You will find the solution of this differential equation, Vimal. Okay. Shivang is saying 0. Vivekanand is also saying 0. Okay. So this is what we are getting. Now this is the variance of y, which I can directly write like this. This is what 4 variance of x. We know the property, right? And variance of 0 is beta variance of constant is always 0. If something is constant, its variance is 0. It's because it's not varying, right? So this is what we are getting. So which option is correct? This option is correct, na? This option is correct. One more property. Which property we have used? We have used this property. Variance of ax is equal to ax into variance of x. This is what we have used, guys. This is what we have used. Okay. Now we'll solve the last question of this session, that is from the probability. Acha, how many of you solved this? Okay. So this is the last question of this session. Okay, we'll see this question. Okay, we'll try to find out the solution and we'll give it to you. Right now, I am not having this question right here. Okay. So this is the question of probability that I will be solving here. This is the last question, okay? Okay, so let us solve. Okay, there might be some correction in the options, no problem. But I think the answer is correct, okay, Mohammed? Yeah. Okay, so can we continue to the next question? Last one. Okay. So this is the question from probability, guys. I want to know that how many of you have solved this question. What they are giving now, they have given one container. They have given one container, suppose some bag or something like that. Some box. Okay, there is some box. There are 3 coins. There are 3 coins. Okay, I am drawing the coin. There are 3 coins. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 coins. Okay. In these 3 coins, in one coin, it is head and tail, which is fair. In one coin, it is head and head. And in one coin, it is tail and tail. On both the faces, it is tail and tail. So like this, they have arranged the scenario. Okay. Okay, fine, no problem, Mohammed. Okay, there may be some correction in the options, no problem. Because it is memory based questions now. Okay, fine. Okay, this is the scenario given to us, and what is the condition? I am reading the question. A coin is picked randomly from the box and tossed out. Okay, and tossed out of 2 remaining coins in the box. First we will pick one coin. So how many coins will be left? 2 coins. One coin is selected and then it is tossed. Okay, fine. Now remaining 2 coins are selected out of that. So what they are saying, out of 2 remaining coins in the box, 1 coin is then picked randomly and tossed. So first I will take 1 coin and then I will toss, and then remaining 2 coins I will select 1 coin and then I will toss. What they are asking that if first toss result is head, the probability of getting head in the second toss is. So they are saying that if first time I am choosing any coin and if I am getting head, then what is the probability that second time I will choose the coin from 2 and I will get the head. This is what they are asking. How will you solve this question? Can anyone tell me the answer of this? So options were given. I will write the options. A, B, 1 by 2, D is 2 by 5. So it is, I think, very good question. This is a question from conditional probability, guys. Okay. So Rutvij is saying 0. How? Okay, fine. So let us see what is happening. Let me solve this question. Let A be the event of getting head in first toss. let A be the event of getting head in first toss and B is what? The getting head in second toss, okay, in second toss. So now if these are the two events, what they are asking that if in first toss head has already occurred, what is the probability of getting head in the second toss? They are asking like this. Okay, so what is the probability over here? Let's see. If you use this one, what you will get? You will get probability of A intersection B, divided by probability of A. That is what you are getting. What it means? What does it mean? A intersection B. The meaning of A intersection B is that in the first toss head is also getting, in the second toss the head is again getting. So A intersection B we will write like this. Suppose out of 3 coins, if you select any one, so its probability is 1 by 2. Now once you have selected, suppose you have selected this one, now you will toss this, so what is the probability of getting head? 1. Both faces are head. Now after that again you will select the one coin out of these 2 coins, remaining one. So in selecting the one coin from these 2, the probability is 1 by 2. And then if you select this one, the probability of getting head in this one is 1 by 2. And the next case will be what? This one, tail one, but its probability is 0. In first one we need head na, that's why this case will not take. Okay, so now this is the one case. Second time it may happen in the first time this coin is selected, so probability of selecting that one is 1 by 3. है ना? In that, now if I have selected this one, getting head in this coin is what? 1 by 2. Now remaining 2 coins are this. In this, what is the probability of getting selected any one? That is 1 by 2. And then getting head, suppose this is the coin, then getting head is 1. है ना? So this is 1. Now this is the A intersection B. This is the whole thing which is A intersection B, where A and B both are happening simultaneously. Now probability of A is what? Probability of A is getting head in first toss. So probability of getting head in first toss is what? So first I will select 1 by 3, any one coin, and then getting head. So if suppose this is the face, then I will get 1 by 2. Oh, means 1. And then if this is not the case, if this is the coin I am selecting at the first time, then 1 by 3, then getting head in this case is 1 by 2. So this is the whole scenario. And if you solve this, you will get 1 by 3. So this is the answer, I think, right? So A is the correct answer. This is a very good question, okay? This is the very good question actually. Okay, students, so thank you very much. So this is all about the session. So if you like the session, please don't forget to if you like the session, don't forget to share it with your friends, so they can also take the benefit of it, and they can also match the answer key of it. Okay, so thank you very much.